Just watching this here. She's really looking heavy. Back down to lows. There's a seller in here. You can see them. Yeah, they're not going straight. I'm gonna try to get these 106.80s, I think, against like 107. And there's XOM in the 70s. No, did not make it back up. I'm close to pulling this. In fact, I am going to pull this. I am going to pull this. I just do not like the way that the tape is acting near this spot. I had 81 cents, so I'll set that. Would have filled if we get to 82. And then 107, I forgot what it was, 5 would have stopped. But I pulled it. I just do not like the tape. Big buying happening there. Gonna reset these lines on XOM. I'm wondering now if this spot right here is a tight little spot to find the short and maybe risk only 10-15 cents. Yeah, let's do that. Risking against what? I put it at 26 cents. We'll see. Basically, I'm just trying to get short here and take to lows here down in the 60s. Risking 10 cents. Got it there. Short XOM at 11 cents. Stops at 26, so what, 15 cents? And we are looking for a revisit of lows down here. Right now, XOM popping straight up into the 20s. Yeah, right now this is not working. But that's the idea. Everything's tight. And lots of selling happening here on the footprint. And here we are back down. Let's see if we can drive to lows. Can we get back below 106 first? Tesla looking, and here's XOM back above 20s. And it looks like I might take a stop here at 26 cents. And I'm just keeping this tight because the idea is very tight here for a continuation trade. I don't need to be risking a whole lot. But I would like to see this XOM. If I'm correct, I'd like to see it, the seller start working and moving it lower. Here's the ES coming in as well. Just saw someone advertising on the bid there, and then they cleared them out. Here's the 6s being hit. Do the 6s drop? Not yet. Not yet. Will those 6s drop? And they're hitting again. Let's see what happens. Can they clear out those 6s that bought last time? Nope. Seller not pushing yet. Tesla looks like it's setting up for another reversion long situation, Tesla. I'm really curious if they take out these 6s right here. This is the, yeah, they took them out right there. Now 4 is advertising. Do they take them out? Do they hit them? A little bit. They did take them out. Hit them. Let's go. Let's see the seller actually work. 2s, 3s buying, cleared out. Here's the 6 hole. Take him out. not getting the move down to lows like I was looking for. We are down 4%. And we are still making downward progress. Look at all that buying though at 4 cents. Don't really want to see it back up above like 6-7 cents. That would give me pause. Yeah. There's that 4 advertising. They hit them again, hitting them again, but then they rebid. And I don't really like that. Don't really like that, all that advertising, and they're not clearing them out. Lots of stacking here on the bid. And the seller just keeps bringing it. So it looks like 2 institutions duking it out here. I'm trying to position myself for a continuation to the short side, but it looks like we have to clear out this existing buyer here first, who's just willing and able to continue buying in the 106s. I really want to see an offer hold below 106 and soon. And soon. My time stop is running out on this. What's this offer going to do? Are we going to step down? I don't see the seller being active right now. I don't see the pressure pushing down. That offer is not stepping down. Here's some selling in the 6s, but they clear them. Can we actually get selling below 106, below the hole? Here's the hole. Can't break through again. And now we're above. And this thing's turning around, and I'm getting stopped out up here above 30 cents. So got slipped significantly, and it comes right back in. And that might be it for me. I don't really feel like playing around with these energy stocks. I might be right on this direction overall, but that little behavior on the tape there may have dissuaded me from even re-entering. I might just take the loss and lick the wounds and live to fight another day. Ooh, I don't have the buying power. 35 against 65. I'm gonna put it on again if I can get it up here. May have missed it by hesitating. Lots of selling happening here. Gonna go down to 33. I did not get it up there. Tesla coming in. Tesla down to 64.70s. I'm still looking for the long down below. Lots of selling coming into this XOM up here in the high 20s and low 30s. So willing to try again if I can get filled up at 33 cents. Which right now I cannot. Here's Tesla coming back down into lows. I am still bidding for it down near 64. Got a partial on XOM, 6 shares, 106 shares. Got the full clip, reshort XOM. Stops at 65 cents, short 33 cents, and we are looking for lows. Trying the trade again. And here comes Tesla in. I'm down here at 7 cents. And I got the fill, so I am long Tesla at 64.07. She just dropped 64, stops down at 63.50s. And I'm also short Exxon at 33 cents. So Tesla long, I mean, we're looking at like up here, 266.70s as a potential long, or a potential target, 266.70s. So let's see what we get. I don't know if I'll scalp it out yet or what. Selling continues on XOM. I need to see XOM hold below the hole, below 106. As far as Tesla goes, here she comes moving up through 64s. Can she get up to 65.20? Here's 64, mid 64s on Tesla. Just see all this buying happening down here in this Tesla. Here's the 60s, 70s, 80s. Can we reach up and pop up over that 65? We're close. '70s. Keep running into a wall up there in the 70s. Let's see what happens this time. 60s. Can we get up above? Really struggling to get up above those 60s, 70s here in Tesla, and I might just scalp it out. You see we're back down to 106 on Exxon. Can Tesla gain a 70 bid? Here's 70 offer. Not really gaining a 70 bid. Just can't seem to gain that 70 bid. And Exxon still just doing its thing. Tesla, can you gain a 70 bid? Still not seeing that 70 bid. Saw selling at 70, but can they clear out the 70 seller? If they do, I think they can fly. Here's 80s and back down to 70. That's not a good sign. Would like to see them get through on this attempt here and gain a 70 bid. And if they don't, I might need to pull this trade, this Tesla scalp. Need to see a 70 bid now, and we're not seeing it. That's really unfortunate. That's unfortunate. That is not what I was looking for on Tesla. I'm very close to just cutting this Tesla. I did not like that. Watching this pretty carefully here, this bid. Here we go. Can we get through 70s? One more time, Tesla. One more time. Make that push and get up through 70s. Nope. Just cannot do it. I'm cutting Tesla. I am cutting Tesla. I was really hoping to hold on to that. I just don't see it materializing. And what did I get? 28 cents. Oops, 28 cents. So we'll see if that was a bad cover in hindsight later, but I just don't like the tape. It should have gone. Should have gone. Didn't go. Here's 60s. There's 70s. There she goes. 70 bid. No. No, she can't. So, I don't know. I'll cut it. There's the 70 bid. So, yeah, that was a poor cover, or a poor sale on my end, because now we're back above that spot, and now we're into the 80s and 90s. So, yeah, just an error on my part on that trade management. 90s, there's above 65, and I could have scalped it out up here. So, yep, that is just an error on my part. Execution-wise, I would have gotten to my profit target right there and would have exited the trade. So, mismanaged that Tesla long, that reversion long trade. Entry was good. Exit was very poor. So, we'll need to review that one. Let's go over to XOM. XOM, we are just sitting here with size, waiting for this puke down to 105.60. So unfortunate on that Tesla. I had that thing lined up, but that's how it goes. Here's XOM coming down to the 80s. I might just cover it on the next flush. XOM down to the 80s. Are they going to start selling it though? Where's that offer doing? Yeah, the offer's stepping down. You can see them, and they're knocking out the bids right there, so that's pretty good. Here we go down into the low 80s. Can we get to the 70s? Here's the 70s. Are they going to attack that size there? 70s? And I might just take it right down here. I'm down at 66 cents, and I did not get it. Going to take it off right there, just on that push down. And very nice little second attempt on that XOM after getting stopped out on the first attempt. So glad I retried, and then glad I carried it down. Wonder if it'll go further. Yep, it went further. It went straight through lows and went further. But that'll probably be it for me today. And yeah, unfortunate error on my part on the Tesla. I'll need to go ahead and review that. But now I'm going to head off to work and call it a day. I wonder where XOM will end up as Meta goes to highs.